This electronic shift lever operates differently than a conventional shift lever. To operate it, first turn the ignition switch on and then fully depress the brake pedal. Press the electronic shift lever button and push the electronic shifter all the way forward past the point of resistance and release to engage reverse. Pull the electronic shifter all the way back past the point of resistance and release to engage drive. If you wish the vehicle to be in neutral, push the electronic shifter slightly forward or pull it slightly backward until you feel resistance and then release it. Do not press the electronic shift lever button. To put the vehicle in park, press the park button after the vehicle is completely stopped. Pressing the park button places the transmission into park, but does not apply the parking brake. In addition to placing the transmission in park, always apply the electronic parking brake. The vehicle will be put into park automatically if the driver's door opens while the vehicle is stopped or moving very slowly. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.